Hey guys, what is up? Just want to do another quick video recap on my trades today. This morning I had a few tickers on my watch list, predominantly reversals off daily and 60-minute levels. Uh, what I was looking for, and what are my favorite type of trades, are pinpoints. And there were a few that made it to the levels that I had marked. And how I like to trade these usually is just by manually entering them. I've worked with Eamon in the past, and I know that he uses limit orders, and number one, I don't have the size account to have 4 or 5 limits on these equities, and number two, I just don't feel comfortable having these limits filled, even if it's one ticker, and just kind of being out there in the morning without a stop, and just, especially at the open, you have this crazy whipsaw action. So I did miss on 3 trades. I had BA, XPEV, and there were a few others that made it to my level, and it moved so fast I didn't have time. Excuse the risk to reward. But what I did see and like was PENN. I had this on my watch list this morning, and what I was looking at was this. It had or formed this range on the daily level and weekly, and I was looking for what I was looking for was some type of entry here in and around this level. What does the price action look like? Where does it align with the cams? And what kind of volume and candle does it form around that level? And I saw something here. I had the S3 on the chart very close to the level that I had marked. And when it threw this hammer on the 2-minute with some volume, I went long. And unfortunately, that stopped me out. So I kind of let it sit. And it started to range on the 1-minute, and again I saw another hammer close green on the 5, and as soon as the next 5-minute candle started with a new high, I went long with my target set for 3R, which was at the time right around the 9 on the 5, which is typically what I look for in a reversal, and that stopped me out. So I am -2R today. And one of the things I've struggled with, or have, full-time trading is it's what I do full-time, and I put all this time in. I worked last night late. I put in this, or I work on this evening watch list, which I do every night. I kind of get preliminary levels. I look at long-term time frames, and then I always try to add to my list. So I'll go through stocks that were moving for the day. I'll look through trade ideas and kind of see what was moving. Does it fall, or does it fit into my criteria, flow, price range? And then I'll add them to my long-term list, where not long-terms where I'm trading long-term, but I'll add them in trader view, and then I'll add levels. I'll mark levels, alerts, just to kind of try and simplify everything for me and save time. So that's it. Now I'm done for the day. And I used to struggle, number one, with losing trades, especially when you're trying to make this work full time, and things are definitely better. And I am working on a Discord, working on a community, working on a small website, trying to get into the mentoring space, and that keeps me busy in that regard. Kind of keep a positive mindset, keep going, and again, that's why I'm working on YouTube. I'm doing Instagram. So that's one of the struggles I've had. Because the day, 1 or 2 trades can make or break your day. You can either be done by 9:30, 10, both ways. Whether you're winning or you're losing, and it's tough. It's a real tough game, and I can see why there's such a small percentage of people that actually make it in this game, because it's definitely difficult. But that's it for today. I hope everybody had a good day. Hope everybody has a great weekend. Anybody has any questions, just drop in the comments below. You can DM me, Instagram, Twitter, and I'd be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Hope you guys have a good weekend. Take care.